What is up, YouTube? It's Magic God Destruction. Hey, fireworks today. Let's go. Woo! Oh yeah. Y'all can see these fireworks. And it's July 3rd. Look at that. It ain't even the 4th yet. Woo! Beautiful fireworks, ain't it? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, share it out if I don't want anybody missing any fireworks, so I'm recording this video. Oh, they not even done. Nope. They just begun. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Beautiful lights. Loving it. I hope y'all have a great night. Heck yeah. Man. Fireworks. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, them fireworks. Beautiful. Miraculous. Red, green, and blue. I don't know if I've seen the orange one yet. This remind me of I think it was Final Fantasy, I forgot which one, where the dude was flying in the air and fireworks pop in the background. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, y'all ain't gonna miss nothing. Woo! Yeah. 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 Huh. I just hope they don't like throw in no copyright music. Yeah. Oh Lord, is it? Woo! Just imagine flying over there. Flying in the air while these pop. Oh my God. Jeez. Oh, oh, it's going down. Whoa, okay. Oh, they ain't playing this year. Oh, they really not playing this year. Okay. I knew it wasn't over. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah. Ooh. Oh my God. Yeah, baby. Okay, nope. Nope. I ain't singing that song. There's fireworks in the sky. Look at them all. Oh, pop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. God dang. Ooh, purple one and blue one, too. Beautiful. it gets more gorgeous. Yeah. Only if there was an ice cream firework, you know? Like explode and like ice cream everywhere. I don't know. Nah, wait. Money. Or Skittles. Or cake. Or even pie. Holy. Oh my God.